Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Diki. I am from class 04 HKSM 001 with student ID number 2410902000166. I am here to complete an assessment for the English for Courses Week in first creating a video explaining the termination of an investigation. Let's dive straight into the material and enjoy the video. Definition of termination of investigation. Termination of investigation is a legal action taken by an investigator to official and or discontinue a criminal investigation because the legal requirements to proceed with prosecution have not been met. This decision is an essential part of the criminal justice system, ensuring that no individual is prosecuted without sufficient legal grounds and adequate evidence. In the Indonesian legal system, determination of an investigation is governed by Article 109 paragraph 2 of the Indonesian Code of Criminal Procedure (KUHP). When an investigation is terminated, the investigator must notify the public, prosecutor, the suspect or the suspect family, and the complainant or victim. The decision is generally formalized to an order for the termination of investigation. SP3. Object of terminating an investigation. The termination of an investigation serves several important purposes. 1. To prevent legal containment for an parties involved. 2. To protect human rights of the suspect from being prosecuted without sufficient legal basis. 3. To prevent abuse of authority by law enforcement officers. 4. To ensure that the criminal justice process is fair, efficient, and effective. 5. To discontinue cases that do not meet the legal requirements for prosecution. Grounds for termination of investigation. According to Article 109, paragraph 2 of the Indonesian Code of Criminal Procedure (KUHP), an investigation may be terminated under the following circumstances. 1. Insufficient evidence. The evidence collected during the investigation is inadequate to prove that the suspect committed the alleged criminal offense. 2. The act does not constitute a criminal offense. The reported incident is determined to be a civil dispute, breach of contract, or administrative matter rather than a criminal act, and therefore cannot be prosecuted under the criminal law. 3. Termination by operation of law. An investigation might also be terminated for legal reasons, including the suspect has died, the statute of limitation for prosecution has expired, the case has already been decided by a final and binding court judgment under the principle of nebis is idem, double jeopardy, meaning the same person cannot be treated twice for the same offense. Legal consequences of termination. When an investigation is terminated, the criminal investigation official and the case is forwarded for prosecution. The suspect legal status may be revoked if the termination applies to that individual. Seized property or evidence may be returned to its rightful owner if it is no longer required for legal proceeding. The complainant or victim has the right to challenge the legality of the termination being filing a pretrial motion. Pra-peradilan in the belief the decision is unlawful. Difference of letter in the termination of investigation process. In the termination of investigation process, several official documents are used by investigator and law enforcement authorities. Each document has a specific legal function and force. 1. Order for the termination of investigation (SB 3). An order for the termination of investigation (SB 3) is an official document issued by an investigator to formally discontinue a criminal investigation. Legal basis Article 109, Paragraph 2 of the Indonesian Code of Criminal Procedure (KUHP). Action to official declare that the criminal investigation has been terminated to provide legal certainty to all parties involved. Ground for issuance. Insufficient evidence. The Reporter Act does not constitute a criminal offense. Termination by operation of law such as the suspect has died, the case has expired due to the statute of limitation, the case has already been decided by a final court judgment may be issued them. 2. Notification letter of termination of investigation. A formal notification informing the relevant parties that the investigation has been terminated to the issuance of an SP3. Recipients, the public prosecutor, the suspect or the suspect family, the complainant of victim. Function to official notify all interested parties of the termination of the investigation to ensure transparency and legal certainty. 3. Decide on the termination of investigation. Definition: an administrative document containing the official decision to terminate the investigation. Function do serve as the administrative basis for closing the investigation file, to document the legal decision for record-keeping purpose. 4. Investigation termination report. Official report. An official report prepared by the investigator describing the reason and procedure for terminating the investigation. Function: the document that the termination was conducted in accordance with legal procedures. To become part of the official investigation record. Element: photos of a termination of investigation letter SP3. A termination of investigation letter, known in Indonesia as SP3, is an official legal document issued by an investigator to formal discontinue a criminal investigation. It has specific elements of the letter and feature characteristics that distinguish it from other official documents. A. Element of a termination of investigation letter. 1. Letterhead display the name and logo of the law enforcement against. 2. Letter number, a unique reference number used for identification and administrative force. 3. Date and place of issuance indicate when and where the letter was issued. Subject status, the purpose of the letter, such as termination of investigation SP3. 5. Legal basis refers to the legal provision authorizing the termination, such as Article 109, Paragraph 2 of the Indonesian Code of Criminal Procedure (KUHP). 6. Evidence of the parties include information about the suspect, complainant, victim, and the investigator handling the case. 7. Case description briefly explains the criminal case being investigated. 8. Reason for termination explains why the investigation is terminated. For example, insufficiency evidence, the act is not a criminal offense, termination by operation of law. 9. Decision. Official declares that the investigation has been terminated. 10. Signature on official seal, signed by the authorized investigator and stamped with the agency's official seal. Feature of termination of investigation letter. 1. Official and formal, issued by an authorized law enforcement agency. 2. Legal binding, as legal force and is based on applicable criminal procedure law. 3. Clear and objective, possess formal, precise and unambiguous language. 4. Evidence based, the decision is supported by the fact and evidence obtained during the investigation. 5. Administrative documents part of the official investigation record. 6. Provides legal certain, inform all parties that the investigation has officially ended. 7. Contains legal reference, including the legal provision supporting the decision. Definition of termination of investigation. My opinion on termination of investigation. In my opinion, termination of investigation is an important legal mechanism because it ensures that criminal cases are handled fairly and according to the law, and investigation so on continue when there is sufficient evidence and a clear legal basis. If there is not enough evidence, the act is not a criminal offense, or the case must be terminated by law. Ending the investigation protects the rights of the suspect and prevents unjust possession. At the same time, investigator must make this decision objectively, transparently, and based on valid evidence. This has maintained public trust in the criminal justice system and ensures that justice is served for both suspect and victim. Overall, I believe that the termination of an investigation is not a sign of failure but a legal safeguard, and so that every criminal case is processed fair, professional, and in accordance with the law. That is all I can explain. Please accept my apologies for shortcomings. Thank you.